All right, my name is Damian Maynard, and my question is, the tallest skyscraper today is in Dubai and extends over half a mile. How do you think these towers' construction and raw materials have changed over the years, and do you think it's possible to reach higher heights? Well, I do believe that it is possible for us to reach taller heights right now. I saw this one TV special on Science Channel, it's called Trip This City, and they did an expose on Dubai last night. And they were talking about how, there's a big, huge water infrastructure that's there. There's a land development structure that is also there. But for the water, it was really interesting because they actually don't just shoot the water all the way up to the top of the building. Basically what they do is they set it up in stages. It'll go up to the first 30 floors. There's a big tank that's there. It holds, I think they said, like 300,000 liters of water. And then from there, it gets boosted up to the next 30 stories, and it goes all the way up to the top. And then they actually use gravity feed to feed it all the way back down. And the entire water development structure is set up to maintain so that everybody in Dubai can actually drink or use 175 gallons a day, which I thought was like pretty impressive for a desert, for a city, that's out in the middle of the desert, that everybody can actually use that amount of water. As far as construction materials are concerned, the only thing that has really changed that I've noticed is, one, we actually use different types of concrete. Right now, we actually use a concrete that is reinforced with fiberglass. It's got beads in it, and it weighs less, but is just as strong as the concrete that we have been using for like the past 1,000 years since the Roman Empire. Not a whole lot of that has actually changed. The only thing that I would think that would change would be, one, we would probably start using some more carbon type frames or suspensions and whatnot, and that would just help cut down on the weight. So just to sum everything up, the water is a big major issue as far as construction materials are concerned. It's not going to go very much farther than it has right now. So anybody got any questions for me?
Don't they have some huge indoor skiing facility in Dubai?
Yeah, it is. It's really nice. It kind of sucks because it's a 2-minute or like a 5-second run. The facility is cooled by, I think, ammonia gas, because it's the only one that can actually drop down that much. And when I was there in Dubai, I actually saw it. And when you walk into the mall, there's a big glass side where you can actually look in and you can see everybody that's skiing on it and whatnot. And it's kind of funny because you get to sit there and watch people that are on skis that live in the desert attempt to ski on the snow. And we used to call it skier explosions, but when you're in skis, you have skis and actual hands, and you'll see one ski's over here, the person still falls, there's another ski's over here, then you see pull, then you see pull, then you see the person that keep going. They have to climb all the way up back the hill. And I mean, that was pretty much it. It is pretty interesting to see, the simple fact that they can bring snow to the desert. And there are people that, they have lift tickets and full year memberships, just like they would do in resorts here, but it's in the middle of the desert and it's small. So, and they have it. It's pretty interesting, but I wouldn't recommend going skiing on it. Anything else? Thank you.